Hey guys, I'm really excited to tell you about this retractable, portable, self-sterilizing toothbrush. I think this is a little bit of a game changer in the toothbrush world, and I'm excited that I got one. And I want to show you a little bit more about it because I think that if you saw the details about this toothbrush, that you would appreciate it as much as I do. So I made a short video just showing you some of the aspects about it a little bit closer, and I hope you like it. Taking a look inside the box, you'll see they give you some basic instructions, a USB-C cord that will help you to charge this toothbrush, 2 replacement heads, which is nice, so it'll be a while before you have to worry about buying any additional. Looking at it'll be a while before you have to worry. Metal body. On the bottom there, that rubber cover shows the charging port where you plug the USB-C cable in. And there right out the top is the retractable and extendable toothbrush head. And so you just press that top button 2 times, just quick double tap, and the toothbrush head comes out, and you press it twice again, and the toothbrush head will retract back inside the metal body. Now, I'm covering the top of it here with my hand so that you can see the light inside. There is a UVC and UVA sterilization light inside the head itself so that when the toothbrush retracts back in, it sterilizes the bristles of the brush to kill any germs or bacteria that may be on it. One of the other great things about this toothbrush is what I'm showing you right here. Because the head retracts inside, you can set it down, throw it in your bag as you're getting ready to travel. You can put it on any part of the body and you don't have to worry about the toothbrush itself touching anything that isn't clean. And then next, you can see here in the video that there are 3 separate timers, intelligent timers. And so as you're brushing your teeth, it will alert you with a different vibration when it's time to move to a different part of your mouth. One of the other great things about this toothbrush is it's one of the only, if not only, toothbrushes that have created the bristles out of a graphene material, which is a naturally antivirus material by itself. I absolutely love this toothbrush, and I think if you gave it a try, you would too. Thanks for watching.